how to tag someone on a Facebook post, then this video is for you. Hello everybody, in this video I'm gonna show you a quick tutorial on how you can tag someone on a Facebook post. Basically what you need to do is open your Facebook account and log in onto your account. Then you can see a plus sign above. Tap on it and go to post. Then click on photo and video. Here, after selecting your photo or video, you can see the option below. On the second option, you can see an icon with a person with a tag on. Just tap on it and tap on the person you want to tag on. After that, go back and just tap on post. After your post has been shared, you can see that you have tagged the person you want to tag. And in this way, you can tag a person on Facebook post. I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching.